Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change background on Google Meet. Do you want to look more professional or just hide that messy room? So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your background in Google Meet using the Google Meet app, web app, whether it's before or during the meeting. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to meet.google.com. You can either join a meeting or start a new one by clicking New Meeting and select and start an instant meeting, or create a meeting for later. If you haven't joined the meeting yet, once you enter the preview window where it shows your camera and microphone settings, look at the bottom right corner. Then click the sparkle icon. It may look like a person with stars or a magic wand. This opens the Apply Visual Effect panel. In the Visual Effect panel, you have several choices. Number one, you can blur your background slightly for a subtle effect. You can blur your background completely for full privacy. You can use a preloaded background image like an office or beach. And you can click and upload your image. Click the plus icon to add a custom photo from your computer. So use a high quality images, landscape format for better visual results. So if you're ready in a meeting, which we're going to use here, so I'm going to click on start an instant meeting. It's coming up. On the bottom toolbar, go ahead and click on the three vertical dots on the right. So go ahead and select background and effect. So click on that and choose from the same blur, preset, or custom background options that you have here. So once you click on any, I have this new, so I select that. So your camera is turned off, so you have to select an effect and need to turn it on. I don't want to turn it on, but just go ahead and select your background or select an effect and it will turn your camera on. Then you can apply that. So I'm not so much in a good state to view my face. All right, but then just do this. All right. All right, so that's pretty much how it works. So ensure that your camera is turned on, and once it is turned on, then you can apply the background effect. So if your computer lags, try using the slide blur instead of high-res background. And you can change the background as often as you like, even mid-meeting. And that's how you can change your background on Google Meet like a pro. I don't want to show my face, so I don't want to display my camera, but that's how it works. Whether you're presenting or just join the casual chat, now you're ready to show up in style. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.